Hello there, users in Indonesia can now get a 100% deposit bonus on OEQ option. Example, if you deposit $250 and use the bonus code, your plans will be $500 in the platform. Also, there is a 50% bonus for pocket option and a 50% bonus for Quotex. To activate the bonus code, the platform requires opening a new account in Indonesia. Deposit using our Dana. Please like and subscribe. The information in this video is not investment advice and you can do your own research. This video is for educational purposes only, and leave your questions in the comments.